a new unit, and this unit is multiplication, which is an exciting thing. Third graders love multiplication. It's something that most third graders are looking forward to. Okay? So today is just going to be kind of an introduction, and then we're going to do more work with it, and we're going to do some hands-on stuff today. So, first things first, can I get you guys all to scoot up?
Ooh. I can't scoot over.
Okay. Julian. Boys and girls, multiplication is just a different way of thinking, okay? When we have addition, if we have 3 plus 4 equals 7, when we're adding, we're figuring out how many we have all together, right? Boys and girls, when we're subtracting, we have 4 minus 2, which is 2. We're figuring out what the difference is from 2 to 4. Just like we learned on the number line, really, we just want to figure out how much is in between 2 and 4, and how much is it?
2.
There's 2 in between there. We're figuring out the difference. It would be like if I subtracted, if it was Mrs. Mitchell and Justice, stand up, and we're subtracting the 2 of us, basically we're figuring out what the difference is between her and me. We're subtracting the 2 of us, okay?
You're taller.
Anyway, boys and girls, with multiplication, I have 3. I'm figuring out if I have 3 groups of 2, how many I have altogether. So, boys and girls, addition and multiplication have some similar things with it. Here, we're adding by ones, right? Here, we're adding by groups of. So, if I have, anytime that you see this multiplication sign, I want you to think of it as groups of. So, I don't want to hear, for right now, 3 times 2. Nope, it doesn't mean anything to us. But boys and girls, 3 groups of 2 does mean something to us. How many? I have 3 groups of, there's my 3 groups of 2 in each one. What's my total? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6. So, 3 groups of 2 equals
6.
You guys just did your first multiplication problem.
I'm so not good at multiplication.
Oh, boys and girls, I never want to hear I'm not good at or I can't do something. Let me tell you something about your brain really quick that's going to help you. Did you know that your brain has a bunch of blood pumping in it? It's pumping all the time. You've got many, many, many blood vessels and different areas in your brain that blood is shooting to all the time. Do you know that? Boys and girls, the minute that you say, I can't, or I'm not very good, it actually slows down the blood. And blood stops pumping into certain parts of your brain. And so you actually make yourself
Not good at it.
not good at it. the minute that you say, I can, and believe in yourself, guess what happens to that blood?
Now starts pumping.
Starts pumping all over that brain and gives you more blood to your brain so that your brain opens up and you can learn that stuff. It's a true scientific fact. How cool is that? So if you say that you can't do something, guess what's going to happen? You're really not going to be able to, not because you're not smart enough, but because you're shutting off the blood to your brain. And it's scientific, it will be that much harder to learn it. But the minute that you say, I'm going to give this a try. I think I can do this. Blood is pumping everywhere, and your brain is going to be open to allow you to learn this. So boys and girls, knowing that, will it ever be smart for you to say, I can't do that?
No.
Mm-mm. What's a better thing to do?
I can do this.
Why?
Because then your brain starts learning and learning when you say all these things that you know.
Yeah, because blood shoots to your brain, all those parts in your brain that allow you, that will open it up and let you learn it. Okay? Cole, will you scoot up, please? All right, so, boys and girls, I don't ever want to hear, I can't, or I'm really bad at this. We're just learning it. Everybody's really bad at it right now.
Not you.
But what is that thing in our brain now that we know that we're going to start saying?
I can.
I can
Or I
do
can
this,
try
and
this.
then, yeah, and we're going to learn it. Okay, here we go. Cole, I'm not going to ask for your attention again. This is the last time. Thanks. All right, boys and girls, biggest thing that I want you to know, and what does this sign mean?
Group of.
Groups of. Every time that I see this sign, what do I say?
Groups of.
Okay, let's read a couple problems. Boys and girls, turn to your partner, and I would like you to just read that problem with them, please. Go.
4 groups of 2 equals. Not when I'm talking to We're not talking to
I don't know where these
said out loud, so now we know that.
They were in the
Well, if it's not right.
Were they?
Like adjectives.
Oh, okay.
Stuff.
Oh, free sample. Cool. Yeah. I really thought that you might want to go through and make sure that they're complete. Yeah. Oh.
So it just has like Friday.
Oh, okay.
And then it goes into the detail.
Oh, okay. You know what? You might want to. It was missing in my book, probably. Ask Maria, because I think she has the same book, and yeah, and then it will be complete. But yeah, same thing. One for everything.
I just don't want to make all these copies of the same.
Which tip?
Yeah, no, I think so. I don't think that really. And same thing, even if we do have it, then they'll still use it. Yeah.
She said that she has the book, but she said she'd like that.
I think that'd be a superhero.
Okay, boys and girls, who can read it for me? Jenna, nice and loud. Four groups.
2.
Awesome. So boys and girls, how many circles am I going to draw?
4.
4, because I have 4 groups of how many?
2.
How many is in, let's count now by, what are we going to count by?
4. 2.
We're counting, how many is in each group? So 2. So let's count by 2s. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 groups of 2 equals 8. Okay? All right, boys and girls, let's do one more together, and then we're going to head to our desk, and we're going to do some work with
Times?
cubes. Here we go.
Yay.
Who would like to read this problem for me? Isabel.
Five groups, and
5 groups what?
5 groups and 3
Of. Groups
three.
of.
of 3.
5 groups of 3. So boys and girls, how many groups do I need to draw?
5.
So how am I going to do that?
Circles.
So how many circles?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is in each one?
3.
5 groups
Wait.
of 3. So 3 in each one.
Now we're count by 3s.
Exactly. How many times?
5.
5. Ready? Let's count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What is 5 groups of 3, boys and girls?
15. 5 groups of 3 equals 15.
Awesome. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay.